Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're looking at Ecomi, and it is going to be a little bit bad news, guys. We are looking a little bit more bearish. I'll explain to you my reasonings. You guys decide what you want to do, and keep this in mind. It's not financial advice. This is just my advice on what I provide in my educational course and towards my students. So the first thing I've noticed is when we're looking at this right here, this is your VWAP. You can see clearly all the deviations and the bands. This is a rhythm in the market. It has a bias and it has a context, okay? So what I'm trying to explain here is if I look at the rhythm over here, you could see it's sideways. So if I bought at the bottom, sold at the top, bought at the bottom, sold at the top, you can see it is a sideways reaction because the VWAP is kind of towards the middle. This is a great time if I am looking to hedge the market from buys and sells. Now, vice versa, if I see the VWAP trying to go towards the downside, I can see the rhythm of the market is not sideways, so I cannot use it in a channel formation. I'm looking to more than likely look to sell. Why is this and what is the purpose of this? Well, when you look at the deviation bands right here, you could see that we're failing to break above this deviation, and each time price has been on the below half of this deviation band, you can see it has respected it as resistance, a train track right here, but you've seen it respect as resistance and push a little bit lower. Right here, again, we see it hitting that resistance level and we're seeing it pushing a little bit lower. Not just that, guys. I use the footprints to get into the finer tune entries that we like to look for. When I look left of structure, this is my POC and I'm expecting price. Typically, I like low volume to POC. But for this case scenario, we're using POC to low volume, so I'm expecting price to go a little bit lower. Now, the key instruments behind this is I want to see buyers and what their initiation is. So when I look here into the structure, I'm seeing a lot of buyers, but they're absolutely doing nothing. And this is a sign that I like to look for in the markets when I look for a key reversal move. At the top, you can see huge amount of volume of delta pushing a little bit higher, no reward. Looking left of structure, we do have key levels of resistance of sellers and holding on to those levels as key imbalances, pushing the price a little bit lower. We've seen the price fail once, we're seeing it happen again, and the more I see reaction of buyers coming into this, and I'm not seeing any kind of reward, and I'm seeing limit orders. That's the key word here, guys. If I start to see limit orders starting to push the price and holding it with the amount of buyers that we're seeing, this is showing me weakness in the buyers, and the sellers are going to dump the price really quickly. So what I'm going to tell you guys, this is a quick warning, a quick video. Trading is about finding your setups as long as you understand the protocols of what you need to do. So the outcome of this is to sell the market and try to find key levels to start rebuying the market at the very lows. So right here, if the price does close here on the daily, that is my confirmation. If I really wanted to wait for another key confirmation, make sure the next candle is a red candle with imbalances actually pushing towards the downside, and you will get that extra confirmation that price will absolutely go towards the downside, and this will be like a 95% move, guys. So if you do like this analysis, I know it's not the best analysis because you always want to hear bullish, 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 and if you watch my videos and you get the gist of what I'm trying to say, it's not to say the project is bad, it's just saying watch out, wait a little before you buy your Ecomi tokens before we go towards the moon. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy and John out. Peace.